Hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. It's Dyno Day. And the car we're going to be dynoing today is Scott Springer's 1992 Red Coupe. For those of you that follow the YouTube channel, y'all probably seen this car over the course of several years. It's been featured in several of our product promo videos or install videos. He's actually had the car for quite a while, multiple ownerships. He originally bought it in 1995, modded the car at that time with all the period correct stuff. Ford Racing Driveshaft, GT40P heads, 93 Cobra intake. He had it at a lot of fun Ford weekends throughout his early ownership, and torque boxes can show that as well. On top of that, he had 150 shot of nitrous. So definitely enjoyed the car back in the day. Bought it, sold it, and then ended up buying it back in 2008, and he's had it ever since. Even though I discussed a few of the modifications just a second ago, we'll just go ahead and run them from the top. We got a 93 Cobra intake, GT40P heads, and Ford Racing E-Cam. It's a factory cold air kit, factory throttle body, all that good stuff. It does have an old school set of Ford Racing Shorty headers, off-road H-pipe, and a good old American classic Flowmaster catback. Pair that catback with the E-Cam, and this thing screams Fox Body nostalgia. Does it still have the original T5 transmission and the original engine, by the way, which I think were around 190,000 miles. So it pulls to be made in fourth gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio, old school Ford Racing drive shaft, 373 rear gear, and that's a 16-inch silver pony wheel with a 245/50/16 tire. Our timing is set at 14 degrees, we confirmed that, and we have 93 octane fuel in the tank. So we'll make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go, and it's go time. All right, folks, let's go ahead and check out some numbers. Springer's 92 Red Coupe's making 232 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 277 pound-feet of torque at 3,800 RPM. For the mods, and considering the mileage, you know, it's pretty much right on par. Like any of our dyno videos, hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on notifications. Until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things Fox Body Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.